To add a frame around an object in CapCut, first import your video or image. Go to the text menu and add a default text box. Type a series of dashes inside the text box and choose your frame color. In the spacing settings, set the character value to -3 to create a solid line. Duplicate this line 3 times. Rotate 2 of the lines 90 degrees to form the vertical sides. Position all 4 lines around your subject to create a rectangle. Select all 4 lines and right-click to create a compound clip, grouping them together. Finally, we can go to the Animation tab and add some animation if needed.